Hi guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a monthly plan with me to share with you. This is going to be my new Foxy Fix planner with my new planning system, which I will go more in depth about in my next video. But for now, I'm planning in these monthly inserts by Natty Planning, and I'm using this personal size monthly kit from GP Sticker Studio. So this is a personal size TN, a number 4 size, so I can use a personal size kit in this. So I'm just going ahead and putting down all my days of the week covers in, and they are a little bit small for these boxes, but that's fine. I'm just laying them across the middle and it just shows a little bit of grey on either side, which I'm fine with. And now I'm putting in my top covers. So this month is going to be pretty sparse because I'm planning right at the start of the month and I don't know very much what is going on yet. So it's a little bit plain, but definitely keep an eye on my Instagram. I always post, I'll try to always remember to post my finished spreads on there. So the link for that is in the description bar. So I'm just going ahead and putting my side strips down. So if you're in a ringed planner, normally you would put these over your hole punch section, but it fits perfectly down the side on these inserts, so I'm doing that. And I stuffed up with that notes bar. I put it up too high and I covered up the notes header, and I tried to pull it up. These are glossy stickers and it just did not want to come off, so I just left it alone. Next time I'll know to push it down a little further. So now I'm just covering up the days that aren't in the month, and you can see those boxes are a little bit long, but that's fine. So I'm just bumping those down into that white space down at the bottom there, which is not being used for anything anyway, so that's fine. And I really like this kit, how it's nice and fresh and green, especially for Australia, considering it's summer at the moment. So I'm going ahead and putting in a half box on the 6th, and a little like rings icon. That's for we have to pick up our bridesmaids dresses for my friend's wedding. Then on the 11th, another half box and a birthday cake for my sister-in-law's birthday. And a bill due on the 25th for my GP Studio subscription box automatic payment. And I'm going ahead and putting in a payday on every month, and I'm using tweezers to do this because it is a personal kit, so they're quite small, and I do have false nails on, so it makes it a little bit hard, especially with those tiny icons and especially for the date dots. So I'm just going ahead here and quickly putting down all those date dots, and these really jazz it up, brighten it up with that bright chartreuse colour. I really like that colour, especially for the summertime. And that's pretty much all I can really do in advance. So I'm going ahead and putting in my Peace of Mind Design public holiday stickers for New Year's Day and then for Australia Day. I love that cute little koala. So I'm just putting down a quarter box label first before I put down my Australia Day sticker. So cute. And that's all I can do. So like I said, pretty sparse, but I am going to be posting a photo at the end of the month of it all finished on my Instagram, so definitely check that out. And I'm just popping the extra stickers and my public holiday sheet back in the back pocket of my TN there, so I can reach them easily throughout the month. And that's everything. So I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give me a like if you did. Leave me some feedback in the comments and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys.